If CapCut is giving you export error 10007, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that can help get your project exporting again fast. This is a common issue, and in many cases, it comes down to hardware acceleration, cached files, or not having enough free storage on your computer. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. If this video helps, go ahead and hit the like button, and make sure to subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials and editing fixes. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your computer and go into Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for the Performance tab. Inside this tab, you'll see an option that says Speed up hardware encoding. If that option is enabled, uncheck it. Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause export problems, especially if your system is under pressure or if CapCut is having trouble using your graphics hardware correctly. After turning it off, click Save, then go back and try exporting your video again. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix export error 10007. If the error is still there, the next thing to do is clear your app cache. Cached files can build up over time and interfere with exporting, especially if CapCut is trying to process an older or corrupted temporary file. To clear it, open CapCut Settings again from the menu. Then navigate to the Draft tab. Look for the Cache section, and next to the cache size, click the trash icon to clear it. This removes temporary files that CapCut no longer needs and can help the app run more smoothly. After clearing the cache, give CapCut a moment to refresh, then try your export one more time. If you still can't export, the next thing to check is your storage space. CapCut needs room on your computer to render and save video files, and if your drive is nearly full, exports can fail. Open your computer's storage settings and make sure you have at least a few gigabytes of free space available. If your disk is almost full, delete unused files, move large videos to another drive, or empty your recycle bin to free up space. Then, reopen CapCut and try exporting again. So to quickly recap, if you're stuck on CapCut export error 10007, first disable hardware acceleration, then clear the app cache, and finally make sure your computer has enough free storage. These 3 fixes solve the problem for a lot of users. So go through them one by one and test your export after each step. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing solutions, and simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.